What's up, guys? It's TX, and we're back for episode 2 of the Xavier Hamilton Player Career series on my NBA. I really liked how my video went. I'm really happy about it. Got some views, got some likes. I think over like 10 likes, and I'm pretty happy with that. While I was waiting and gonna create next video, I want to introduce something that I could upgrade my player with or do some challenges, And I came up with something with a little help from my collaborator in 4-Star Blaze. We came up with upgrades and downgrades to let my player go up in overall. Probably not go down in overall because I'll actually play good. But 3, 2, 1, bam. You can see on the screen, we've introduced upgrades and downgrades. I'll start with the upgrades. Win, we get a skill point. 20 points, we get a skill point. 2 steals, we get 2 skill points. 3 dunks, 2 skill points. And shooting over 70% from the field goal range, or any range in general, just field goal, we get 2 skill points. Now let's go over to the downgrades. Lose, we get -1. Shoot under 50%, we get -1. 5 plus turnovers, -2. 4 plus fouls, -2. And shooting under 50% from the free throw line is -2. Note, upgrades and downgrade requirements will change over the series. So see how it has 20 points? When I'm like higher overall, it might change to 30 or 40. Even just to challenges in general, I might introduce rebounds. I might introduce blocks, like other stuff. Get this much dunks. Yeah, you can see on the screen. That will be up there. I'll change it through the series. Enough about that. We also introduced a spin wheel of challenges. Now, this will be also the challenges I'll try to do in game. Hopefully you can see on the screen. You got Xavier and McDaniel in the middle. You can see we got like maybe over 100 challenges. I don't think that's 100 plus challenges. But let's go and spin the wheel because this will go to the game. So let's press right on his face. Let's see what it'll be. And we get... Okay. Score 20 points without dribbling. So that basically means we gotta catch and shoot or get a lob because we're not gonna be dribbling like that. Okay, now let's get back into the video. We are in the second round going against the Spurs. And let's get right into this game. Let's go. I'm very sorry about the audio last game. Actually, okay, this will be shoot that. Damn it, man. Okay, we gotta try to score without dribbling. Okay, that's not the shot. That's definitely not the shot. Maybe if we can get... Nah, we're not getting a chance right now, honestly. Okay, good shot. Ah. We also cannot even see like the timer, bro. Like the shot clock, really. Okay, let's go with the easy little. I forgot, bro. We cannot get turnovers anymore, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Easy assist. Let's go. Doug Gaines to go. Doug Gaines. Doug Gaines, you can go for that. Oh, I forgot we had Crawford on this team. Crawford was cooking last time. Crawford? Let's go. Go Crawford. Easy layup. Let's go. Also, I could try to get... I remember this play. Let's go. We're using that screen. Good screen, Crawford. And it's a foul. We need to take control. Because you don't have to worry about, like... Let's reword that. Because last time, we only had to worry about Kyle Coover, bro. And that was it. Now we gotta worry about Manu, Kendrick Perkins. I don't know what the other guy's name is. I'm just getting blocked. This is not easy, guys. Try it. Go on a 75 overall. Play on Hall of Fame. And see how it goes. Try to put up another screen maybe. Maybe this could work again. This is working. This play is working. Let's go. Defense, hopefully. I can get that rebound. Yo, if these are... If I could just do this... Yeah, this is gonna work. Let's go. Another dunk. Defense, let's go. Woo. We might get a triple-double this game. Doug? Hey! That counts to a point with not dribbling. We're already outperforming? Okay, wait. Okay, this will not count. It's still 8 out of 20. Because I did dribble. But I'll take the dunk, you know. Let's go. Hey. I don't know if I dribbled there. But I'm gonna say I did dribble. I don't know. I'll look at it after. See if I did or not. And it's a foul. Okay. We already outperformed our last game. Easily. Like in the first half. We're out. Probably coming back after halftime, but yes, we're down 15. Manu Ginobili has been killing me, bro. Did you look at some halftime stats? Let's look at some halftime stats. I have 12, 5, and 4 shooting 6 for 7 from the field goal with 1 turnover. Gaines have been carrying 2 with us. Crawford's putting up his points. And you see Manu Ginobili is 9 for 14. Killing me, bro. And he's a future legend, so I guess. I've been playing him too high. No. What did he just try to do there? Try to get to my... Okay. Ah, we needed that. We only have 8 right now. It could be a contender for 10 if we actually did get that that pass and it wasn't a dribble. Defense. No. Defense, let's go. Give me that. No. Okay, it's alright. All right. Ah, that wasn't a pass. Defense. Let's go. Down the court. Crawford, you got me. Pass to my guy Doug. Passes it to Arthur. Pass it to Crawford. Back to Arthur. They want me up here. Oh, that's baby chicken. That's barbecue chicken. They're putting me on Kendrick. Foul. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. First free throw down. Second free throw down. Let's go. So that would go to 10, right? 10 out of 20. We're pushing closer and closer. Arthur could have made that, honestly. Defense, no. No. He finally cooked us. Good shot, Crawford. Let's go. Are you still in here? Oh my gosh. Holy. Yeah, call a timeout after that, bro. defense. No. Please. Okay, I'm gonna try go-to shot. I've been testing my go-to shots.
Perfect.
Let's go. Woo. Let's go. My team is just not playing defense. No, you could have just... Okay. Let's run this play. Going the other way. Thank you. I need to let you score with the... Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't see us winning this game. Please, 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 could we just run this play with that actually working again? They just don't give good passes no more. They found out what we're doing in this play. Please, Calderon, don't take it up. This is a good chance. Oh. What is that? Yo. They messed up Calderon's jump shot. Oh, it's BTA. I think we have 12. I think we have 12 out of 20, honestly. Or it's even 14 out of 20 right now.
Kobe.
Let's go. That's scoring without. Okay. I think we're already or either at 15 out of 20 or 17 out of 20. Oh my gosh. Please go for a lob. Lob, please. Oh my gosh, we had it. Why are you keep... No. My energy's running low. Bro, Manu is just cooking. Okay, let's see if they got me in the corner. Manu's actually playing defense this time. Let's see if I could... Nah, that's not gonna work. Foul. No. The Calderon. You want that? What? Okay, I'll take it. I don't know if that was a dribble. I think that's a dribble, so we're either at 17 or 15. I just need just a few more bucket home. He gave that pass. He gave that pass too. He didn't want the point. This is sad. Like, the play was working, now it's not. Because now they just have Kendrick Perkins in the paint waiting for me. Maybe I could... Whatever. I'll take the free throws. More points. Let's go. One free throw down. And that would make it 2. How did I lose the ball? Oh my gosh. Miss. I'm wasting too much energy. Yes. Yes, okay. I'm thinking that's 19 out of 20. One more point. Seals the deal. One more. One more. Steal, 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 steal. Go for it. Okay, it's not, but I'm gonna try to go for it. I missed the dunk. I missed the dunk. Let's go. 30 points. 30 points out of my 71 of this team. Sure, I could easily do this, but this will count me as 3 skill points, so I need this. Let's go! I'll be able to dribble. That's 21 out of 20. Let's go. I think we got it. Game ends 93 to 81. Us losing by 12 to the Spurs. And I don't know if it didn't show it, but Manager Ginobili is cooking us. I finished with 36 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals, 1 block, and with 2 turnovers. Shooting 15 for 22. Doug Gaines helped me cross the way a little bit. Crawford did not shoot that well this game. But now to the other team. Manager Ginobili had 30, 10, and 8 with 3 steals, 4 turnovers, shooting 14 for 25. Chase Payton on this guy, 15 point double-double. Also Kendrick Perkins, 13 points, 11 rebounds, 2 steals, 1 block. Shot 6 for 7. And this is the other guy that was real. He didn't have the best game, but we are eliminated from the Summer League. Yep, you see it right there. Alright, looking back at the upgrade system, we got 20 points, 2 steals, 2 dunks, and I think 70% from the field. We did get loose from the downgrade. I gotta check it out all up and see how much you got in total. I'll be right back to tell you. Alright, I calculated all up. We got 5 in total from the points, steals, and dunks. We got -1, of course you know that. It was possibly I could have got to 70%, but it came out, I did all the calculations, it was 68%. Literally 2% off and I can get a +2 upgrades. I did complete the challenge of scoring 20 points without dribbling. So I'll take it. We have 9 in total to upgrade, and let's upgrade our player right now. I'm thinking of upgrading him. I'm gonna upgrade him at the. Yes, I'm what did I get? I do so slow. I do so slow. I decided we're gonna upgrade. I'm gonna put 5 of my 9 points into my free ball to get to 82, and I'm gonna use 2 for my free ball into 82. I barely feel like I'm moving up there, and then another 2. Where's 7? Let's look at our defense. Let's play on our defense. That'll be our defense today. Where's at 76 overall now. Let's see who wins the Summer League. And it's Portland Trail Blazers. Let's see the box score. Kirk Hinrich, Chris Humphries. It's not Humphries, Stephen Humphries. But enough of that. Let's get into the actual NBA season. Events next season. I did promise you guys 2 episodes. This not 2 episodes, 2 games this episode. So I'm not gonna record the next episode right now, but it'll be in the video. I'll probably record it later today or tomorrow, because I just need to get off 2K right now. I'm gonna play some with my friend, but it'll be in this video still. See you guys in, I guess, literally 1 second for you guys, but bye. Okay guys, I am back. You just seen previously I said I was gonna go into the next part. The next part is film another day. Today's the 23rd. Previously just seen yesterday, or literally like 30 seconds ago before I had to start recording this again, was the 22nd. I didn't feel like recording last night more, but we're the next day. Let's do spin the wheel one more time. Let's see what challenge we get. We might upgrade like the system, because I feel like the attributes are a little bit too low. Like we only got 9 points for getting like 35 and 7. You know, I feel like we should upgrade a little bit more. I might add to it. I might like add more skill points. But let's get right into the spin wheel. Let's see what we get. Let's go. Spin it out the way, and we get win while only scoring in the paint. Okay. This might be hard. This might be easy. I do not know. I was scoring a little bit in the paint last game, but I was kind of scoring from the free throw line and the 3 ball. But okay, we could do that. We could do that. We're gonna go with this Denver Nuggets, like I already stated. I think I already stated, but let's get right into the game. I'm not a starter. Let's get right into the game. Woo. Hopefully win. The only person that's really gone the other team is young Carmelo Anthony. Let's be for real. All right, we're in the game. We're in the game pretty like not that far away from the start. We're on James Posey. Okay. Defense. Look at that defense. Look at that help. Pass back to Gary Payton. Let's go. Peyton, those drill moves aren't getting you nowhere. Alright. I'm not gonna talk. You know, I can't talk. You're a veteran around. You ain't over veteran. You're pretty old. Defense, let's go. Steal. Running all the way down. No, our ball. Let's go. Oh, I could have made that. I could have. Oh, let me run the ball for a second. That's easy. Let's go. I don't know what your name is, but let's go. Okay. For Nene? He never did that. Let's go. Down. Okay. Look at that block. Let's go. Woo. Isn't like the real NBA like Perry or Peyton was on like the Lakers for like that one season with Karl Malone? Hey, let's go. No, no, ball. Go for it, run. What? He greened that? Nah, that's all you. That's all you, bro. You could do that if you want. Hell no. Hey, what a small meter. Bro, I already have 3 turnovers, bro. It's bad. I might lose a skill point. No. I'm about to get subbed out, bro. I'll show you my stats right now, because I don't know what to... 3 turnovers, man. I told you, if I get 4 turnovers... I was talking about, like, the start of the episode, how I'll never probably get 4 turnovers. That's crazy. Okay. I literally gotta play, like, prime Chris Paul with passing. Back in the game. The start of the second quarter. And we are losing by 7. It's alright. We could come back. Defense. Let's go. Down. Hey! I'm on you, buddy. Nah. Nothing for you, Chris Anderson. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Let's run this play that was working last time. Try to go for a lob. Hey! What a dunk! Look at that. Hey! Wow. Jumped a little too late, and that's Carmelo Anthony, yeah. Yeah, I'm recording my, still the... Thanks. Thanks, Steve. Oh, Doug? Is that Doug? Please don't ask Doug. Just tell Arthur. It's easy. Good luck. All right. Why am I on Carmelo? What they got for me? Okay, Barry. Okay, let's go. Didn't count as my assist, but come on, I'm going for that steal. All right. I'm out with 5 minutes and 54 seconds left to go. We're down by 1. Halftime down by 2. I can't say this game has been easy, but I couldn't say it's been hard also. I mean, only having to score in the paint, or only allowed to score in the paint, I should say. Pretty hard. It's pretty hard. And we are back kind of 4 minutes after the start of the third quarter. Up by 1, actually. I was about to say down by 1, but we're not. It's good. Got the worst screen off. Oh, wait. Nah. You got that. You trust me? Okay. Good lay. Let's go, Brent. Nah. My rebound. Let's go. Throw it to Payton. Pull it down. Go. Yes, indeedy. Who says that? When I get a better block, that would certainly be a block. Just have to wait. Wow, that's crazy. I only have an 80. Is it like 83 3 ball or 81? And they put that as like a. Let's go. When I'm guarding Carmelo, he can't do nothing. Go fall for the pump fake. No. And Rashford, bro. I keep saying Rashford. That's a green. That's a green. 3. 2 screens? Hey! Woo! Hey, on Nene! On Nene! Let's go. Good. Add 1, Payton. Teach that young boy. Teach that sophomore. Who's man? Who's the man? Bro, there's no way I can stop him. He's 82%. Oh my god. Why was that free throw so fast? Every single game, I get like 5 rebounds and like 6 assists, and then can't get better than that for the rest of the game. Let's go. I'm looking for that triple double. I wanted the triple double so badly. I hate calling assists, but we need points. I don't trust. Oh! No way! No way I missed that layup. Oh my gosh, I should have went undrafted. I just can't believe. I thought I'd go for like a dunk. And 1. Whatever. We'll take the free throws. And the free throws do not count. It's like, not count like a point in the game. Let's go. Okay, they did pass turn actually. Let's get this block. I think I got the block.
Gotcha, bitch.
Through.
Gotcha, bitch.
Through. Let's go. Nah. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I'm cutting out the clip. That was in big. What the? Oh, it was the end of the quarter. Back in the game. 6 minutes left to go. We get a screen by ref. No, he just didn't want to set the screen. Foul. Let's go. Yo, we're not gonna get a first chance free throw. No way. Oh, rethink the second one. Could I get some space before he passed the ball back to me? Hey! You're taking that up? I thought I was taking bad shots. That's just on a whole different level of stupid. No. Cannot let him get so much rebounds this game. No. Let's go. Let's go. Easy layup. Easy. Let's go. Carmelo's been trash just like half, bro. Oh my. He was making so much shots before. Take that up. Take that up, Slay. Let's go. I'm gonna get this steal and disrespect them. Oh no, he's gonna take that pull up. Defense. He made that? Good for you, man. Good for you. Bomb fake. Where you going? Where you going? Let's go. Let's go. We just need 3 more assists. I mean, 3 more rebounds and 1 assist, bro. We got it. I might bait him to shooting the ball. I don't think he has that. Okay, even better. Do that. Okay, 2 rebounds. That's the assist too. Okay, we got the assist. Let's go. 2 more rebounds. Yeah. Miss. Oh my god, he's trash. Please let me get those rebounds, center. Oh my. He's got the night of death. They subbed me out. I was doing. Okay, we're back in. We're still. I have 47 seconds to do this. I want to do so badly. I want a triple double. One more. One more. I need this rebound. I need this rebound. Please shoot the ball. Please miss. Please. No! Why would you do that? I can offensive rebound. Why would you make it? No! No. We were 1 short from a triple double. You know what? We got the win. We got the points, only scoring the paint. We got a lot of upgrades. I think we did get a downgrade with the turnovers. Like, we got the 4 turnovers in the first half. This has been a good game. Let me show you the box score now. In 25 minutes, I put up 29, 9, and 10. 2 blocks, 12 for 18. What a game. I'll just show you. I didn't take no threes. It was only free throws. I'll show you the dunks. I got 10 dunks in this game. So, no points out of the paint. Thanks to Rashard for carrying to 21-10, 2 steals, 1 block. And Brentbury, you took my rebound. You took my rebound, so I'm kind of mad at you, but you played well. Whole team kind of played well, honestly. Maybe aside, like, Vladimir, but it's alright. Now for the Nuggets. Carmelo Anthony in 40 minutes. That's a lot of minutes. 24, 7, and 4. 1 block. Shot 10 for 28. Not the best efficiency, but did show a little better out there. Now cooking on the boards with Marcus Camby. 23, 12, 2 assists. He was doing it well out there. I can't even lie. I think my guy, 5 for 9. He was kind of beating me up at the start of the game, you know. But we did end up winning by 13 against the Nuggets. Our first NBA game. 2 games this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll be back for the next episode of the Xavier Hamilton series. Bye-bye.
I live in a constant state of fear and misery. Do you miss me anymore? And I don't even notice when it hurts anymore.